Hello, my name is Ashley, and I am not currently completing a field study or field placement. I will be starting in the fall. So at this point, I am starting to look for different agencies, and my primary interest is to be in a public school setting. I would prefer to be in a high school setting. And I'm just really interested in working with kids in that environment. My first placement was a little different in a day treatment program and a little bit in a school with middle school age children. So I'm hoping to get a position that will allow me to work with older children. Um, I really wanted to take this course. It was one of the ones I identified as one I was really interested in because I'm really intrigued by the integrated healthcare model. I'm not extremely familiar with it, but what I know about it really makes sense to me how putting the two together can really help catch things earlier on with mental health issues and also offer the ability for a patient to go right from their doctor right to a clinician from there. I also have a really strong interest in perinatal social work, which is not something you see a lot of in our state. I live in Maine, and I'm really interested in working with women as they experience pregnancy and also just sort of the changes that happen as they become mothers, sometimes emotionally, obviously physically, and just sort of being there to guide women through that experience. What I'm hoping to take away from this course just is really a better understanding of what medical social work is. I know that social workers can be in hospitals. I know they can be in nursing homes and places like that, but I'm not sure I have a full understanding of what their role is, what kind of jobs that they have, where they're located in medical facilities. So I'm just really interested in learning more about the role and just sort of, adding HIPAA into it, how things change, and how social workers are utilized in a medical setting. Really looking forward to this class and getting a better understanding and looking forward to working with everyone. Thank you so much.